Right guys, so today we're going to be testing out the video capabilities with regards to the slow motion on the Realme X3 SuperZoom. So as we can see, I've got a featured spinner here, and what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to just press record, and then we're going to basically spin the featured spinner. Then we're going to stop it, press stop, and then we're going to play back that video. Then we're going to basically spin the featured spinner. And as we can see, we're going to stop it, press stop. As we can see, that was what that video looked like. So we had some motion blur. You can see here we have some motion blur in the video. So this is probably about, I don't know, 25 frames per second, something like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back. 1 second. Let's go back. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go into slow motion. So we're going to go over to more. We're going to go into slow-mo. And currently we're at 240 frames per second. So we're going to record this featured spinner spinning at 240 frames per second. So here we go. Let me spin it. Go over here, press record. Give it a 5-second boost. Press stop. Stop. Let's bring this back. And as we can see now, this is the featured spinner spinning at 240 frames per second on the Realme S3 SuperZoom. Okay, so we can all see that now. So let's come back out of it. Again, what we're going to do, we're going to change this now, and we're going to go on to 480 frames per second. So again, we're going to spin the featured spinner and then record on 480 frames per second. Record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press stop. Bring up the video. And as you can see guys, that is an improvement. You see the way the spinner is coming? Now, that looks pretty darn good, doesn't it guys? And that is currently at 480 frames per second. So what we're going to do now is we're going to up it and put it on 960 frames per second. Okay, so again, let's spin it, press record, and off we go. So there we go, bring the video up, and as you can see, that is at 960 frames per second.